One of the most powerful benefits of the integration is the ability to remarket in Bid Manager with audience lists based on analytics data. To do this, you or your marketing team would use the Audiences feature in Analytics. From the admin interface, under Property, click Audience Definitions and then Audiences. Your organization may already be using the Audiences feature to create remarketing lists for AdWords or for personalization in Optimize 360. From here, you can edit an existing audience or create a new one. A quick way to get started is to select from the list of recommended audiences. The final step in creating an audience is to select destinations where you'd like to publish your audience. For example, AdWords, DoubleClick Bid Manager, or Optimize 360. Clicking Publish makes the audience available to use in the accounts you've selected. There are several other ways to create an audience in Analytics. Creating an audience is similar to creating a custom segment. Clicking Create New brings you to the Audience Builder, which looks just like the Segment Builder. Another option is to import a custom segment you've already created in Analytics. You can also define a segment directly from an enhanced e-commerce funnel report. Let's walk through an example. Reaching people who placed items in their cart but did not complete their purchase is a great remarketing opportunity. If you have enhanced e-commerce implemented, you can use the shopping behavior report to create a segment based on this behavior and then target those users in an audience. In the shopping behavior report, click on the step you want to base your audience on to create a segment. In this case, we want to create a segment where products have been added to the cart, but then the cart was abandoned. So we'll click Cart Abandonment. When you click, Google Analytics opens a segment creation input box. Once the segment is saved, it can be used to create an audience for targeting in Bid Manager. Additionally, you can make modifications to the audience, such as excluding users who have already made a purchase. You can also create an audience in the same way from a custom funnel. We recommend using GA in the audience name. This helps distinguish it from non-GA audiences in Bid Manager. As you can see, not only does the Bid Manager integration allow for increased insight into display traffic, it also enables users to create behavior-based audiences for sharing with Bid Manager. Anyone with full administrative permissions to both your Analytics and DoubleClick Bid Manager accounts can complete the self-serve integration. Full administrative permissions means that one person has both edit permission for the Google Analytics 360 property you wish to link and read and write permission for the DBM partner account that contains the advertiser ID you want to link. If you have edit permission for your Analytics 360 property, but you don't have read and write permission for Bid Manager, you can send an automated link approval request to a read and write admin on the Bid Manager partner account. Review the respective online help article included at the end of this lesson for instructions and other important details. When you create the links, you will encounter a few options. We'll use the remainder of this lesson to share recommendations on these options. When you link an Analytics 360 property with a Bid Manager advertiser, destination URL auto-tagging is automatically implemented. We also highly encourage auto-tagging as it offers more dimensions than manual tagging and requires less maintenance. However, if you strongly prefer manual tags so that you can customize campaign, source, and medium values for sessions attributed to Bid Manager, don't let this requirement deter you from taking advantage of the integration. You can use the DCM/DBM auto-tagging override feature. To minimize disruption to your data, enable the override immediately after enabling the integration. Also, if you choose to use manual tagging, be sure to check your channel definitions in Analytics to make sure that the display channel is defined the way you want it. Find out more in the Read Further section. You will see a checkbox for the Export Remarketing List option. We highly recommend enabling this option to get the full power of integration as we've covered in this lesson. Lastly, keep in mind that we highly encourage you to import Bid Manager cost data, known as revenue in Bid Manager, into Analytics 360. Only aggregate cost data will be shared with Analytics. No breakdown of this aggregate data will be available in your Analytics account. If you don't share cost data, you won't receive click data either and will miss out on this powerful benefit of integration. You should now understand the benefits of the Bid Manager integration and be familiar with where to find your DBM data within Analytics 360. You've also seen how you might leverage this data to create audience lists for remarketing and to gain more visibility into your customer's journey.